welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to study practice set 4.3 of the fourth chapter of Maths 2. Okay, now and what is given in this exercise is we have been given the perimeter of a triangle. If you see here, the perimeter of a triangle is given and the base angles are given. Okay, Q and R are the angles at the bottom. Okay, so these two things are given to you and the perimeter. There is no base given to you, just observe there. So how are you going to start with this? So that there is a these are very easy constructions. Okay, first what you're supposed to do is you have to take your ruler and draw whatever is given to you. So 9.5 is given to us, and 9.5 is not the base, but it is addition of all the sides, right? So we will do that later, but first let us draw the base of 9.5. Okay, so this is our base of 9.5 which we make. After doing this, since this is not the base of the triangle, we cannot name it by the name P, Q, R or anything. So we name it by some other name, say A and B. Okay, after doing this, so we have utilized this. Now let us check what can we do to this Q and R. So for Q and R, what we are going to do is we are going to draw the base angles, but we will not take 70 and 80. We will be taking the half of it. Okay. So now what we do is angle Q. So now let us draw these angles. Okay, so angle Q is 70 degrees, so we'll be taking 35 degrees in place of A. Okay, so this is our protractor. Let us place it on A and draw an angle of 35 degrees. Q is 70, so we take half of it, which is 35. And we draw a ray. Similarly, and we can write here, okay, this is 35 degrees. Then this is 80 degrees, so here we'll place it here. Segment is on this side, so we start counting 40 degrees from here, and then we get 40 degrees here. Okay, so we draw here a ray. Okay, and we can write down here 40 degrees. Now after doing this, we will be drawing the perpendicular bisectors of these two sides. Okay, so let us do that. So I take the compass, and by taking the measurement of more than half, I'll be drawing these perpendicular. You can take little bigger ones so that you can draw these bisectors outside this triangle. Okay, so now I take this and I draw 1, 2, then I place it here, and I draw the perpendicular 1 and 2. So I need to extend this arc here. Okay, so I got the perpendicular bisector for this. Now I'll do this for this side. Okay, so the same thing I'll do here and here. Similarly here, and I draw an arc here. So I need to extend this further. I need to extend this. Okay, so this is how we get to raise here. To the arcs for two lines. So this is one line which we'll be drawing, and this is the another perpendicular bisector which we'll be drawing. Okay, so these are the two perpendicular bisectors which we have made. Okay, so this is a perpendicular bisector. You can make the symbol here and the symbol here. Then you can show this side is equal to this because this is perpendicular bisector. Similarly, this is equal to this perpendicular bisector. But where is your angle PQR? You know where? Find angle PQR. Now where is your angle PQR? You know, this is 1, 2 and 3. These points will give you a triangle PQR. So we join this. So this is your P, this is your Q, and this is your R. So this is our triangle PQR. And this Q is 70 degrees, so we show it here. And R is 80 degrees, which we write down here. So this is how we draw a figure. Let us proceed towards the next question. So the same type of question. Let us draw the base first. Now what is given? The perimeter of triangle is 10.5. So we'll be drawing 10.5 base here. So let us do that. So this is the base of 10.5. Okay, you can write down here 10.5 centimeter. Name this as, this is XYZ. No, so you cannot name XYZ. You will name it as A and B. Then we draw the angles. So X is 46. So we'll draw the half of 46. That is 23. Okay, so we'll draw it here. 23 degrees. (23 degrees) will be somewhere 21, 22 and 20. 23. Okay, so this is how we'll be drawing, and let us draw the ray here. Okay, you can immediately show here 23 degrees. Similarly, angle Y is for 58 degrees, so half of 58 will be 29, which will be drawing from this side. So 20 and 29 will be somewhere here. Okay, you should always take sharp pencils so that you're able to draw properly. Okay, so we'll be taking 29 degrees here and we draw a line. Okay, then we'll be drawing the perpendicular bisectors, but before that we'll write down here 29 degrees. We'll be drawing the perpendicular bisector of these sides. So I'll be placing it here and I'll draw arcs. Similarly, I'll place it here. And draw the arcs. Then similarly on this, let me draw a line here. So this is the point and this is the intersecting point of two arcs. So this is my perpendicular bisector of one side and this is equal to this. Okay. Similarly, I'll draw the perpendicular bisector on the other side. So this is the perpendicular bisector on the other side. So you can take it. Okay. Here and here, and then you can place it here and here. After doing this, you will draw the line. Okay, and then so we have got this 1, 2 and 3. So we'll join this 1 and 2. So this is your 46 degrees. And this is your 58 degrees. This is your Y. Okay, sorry, X. And this is your Y. And this is the Z. Okay, this is the perpendicular bisector for this. This is how our figure looks. Okay, now let us move towards the third question. So let us start with the third sum. So as always, we'll be drawing the base, which is 11 centimeter. So let us do that with using the ruler. So this is the base of 11 centimeter. Okay, we'll name it by some other letters, say A and B. Okay, then angle M is 60 degrees. So I'll take the half of 60, which is 30 degrees. So I'll take this as 30 degrees. Okay, and I'll place it here. Okay, so this angle M is 30 degrees. We are going to take here and we are going to draw a ray. Okay, similarly angle N is, okay, you can write down here 30 degrees immediately so that you don't forget. Angle N is 80 degrees, so I will take half of 80, which is 40. I'll place it here. The segment is on this side, so I'll count 40 from here and draw this 40 degrees. After that I will be drawing this ray. Okay, now this is 40 degrees. Okay, now after that we'll be drawing the perpendicular bisectors of the two sides. So let us do that. So I'll draw that one here, other arc here. Similarly, I'll place this here, one arc here and the other arc here. Okay, then I will draw perpendicular bisector. I'll draw this perpendicular side and this is a perpendicular bisector, so this becomes equal to this. Similarly, I'll draw perpendicular bisector of the other side. So I suppose I draw it here and then like this I'll be putting it here and here. Okay, so I have two intersecting points whom I'll be joining. Okay, so I have got this point on the base. These are the two angles at the base and this is the vertex at the top. When I'll join them, I will get my angle L, M and N. Okay, similarly this is a perpendicular bisector, so this is equal to this. So this is your figure. Also, you will also show the measure of angle M as 60 degrees and angle N as 80 degrees. Thank you.